We are so close to the finishing line with the S24 Ultra and One UI 7. Here is all the new features in One UI 7 Beta 5. Welcome back to SamMobile TV. You're here with Daniel. And today we're going to look at Beta 5 of One UI 7 and the S24 Ultra. It's just dropped. There's not necessarily a lot of features in here to go through, but why not? It's here. Let's go through it. Starting a look at the changelog, there isn't much here. It's a lot of bug fixes and a lot of call outs for bug fixes. First thing though you'll notice is right at the top that for the S24 and S24 Plus, Samsung have put in the log function. Great news, because the log function got added into Beta 4 on the S24 Ultra, but it wasn't there on the S24 and S24 Plus. Good news, Samsung has put it here on those two models. Pretty much the rest of the changelog is bug fixes. And I don't really experience a lot of bugs using this, so I can't really go through and show you what it was like before and what it is now. You just have the list here over what they've said they've fixed. The one thing I have noticed though is that they've put here improved media playback to display as a real-time notification. That hopefully means that the media panel gets added in as a live notification into the notification panel. Could say panel more. Anyway, let's dive out of here and dive into it to see what they look like. First thing actually I want to check before all of that is Galaxy AI. If I go down into Galaxy AI's menu, I'm just curious to see if they're going to add in any of the Galaxy AI features from the S25 Ultra, because like Audio Eraser, for example, I think could be on here, but it's not. So it's still not here. And even things like read highlights aloud from the browsing assist menu also isn't here either. Literally after I finished recording this video, Samsung announced the official rollout of One UI 7 will begin on April 7th. In their announcement, it shows that Audio Eraser is going to be coming as part of the Galaxy AI update with the full version of One UI 7. So thankfully, what I just said is it can do it and it will do it on the S24 Ultra when it officially drops in about 3 weeks' time. Hit subscribe because we'll be covering it in full. Let's go check that Now bar section. So go to lock screen and always on display and go to Now bar. Oh, Sports from Google is there, and that wasn't there on Beta 4. So Samsung have brought that Sports from Google into the Now bar. It seems like more and more parity is now being added to match what the S25 Ultra has got. Saying that though, the Now brief is still not here. View more, I want to see if the media panel, not there. Interesting. If I go out, the media player is still in this section. In the One UI 7 beta for the Galaxy Z Flip 6 and the S23 Ultra for that matter, it was part of the live notifications toggle. But they said they fixed it. So maybe it's just become part of that section. So let's just launch Spotify. And let's play a song. So if I exit out of this, okay, there it is. Right at the top, the live notification is there. And if I swipe down, it's there as well. So it looks as if Samsung have done it. It's still not in the S25 series. It's still at the moment in the betas of the S24 series, the Flip, the Fold, and the S23 series. But at least it's here. And it is also still present in the quick panel. They don't just remove it from the quick panel just because it's now a live notification and you can control it all from there. I also like the fact it sort of matches the album art, the colors. So if I hit on that, and that's actually going to be a really good one. Anyway, that's there in the One UI 7 beta, as well as now the Sports from Google in Beta 5. If I go into the camera, I just want to see if there's anything in the settings that has changed in terms of what's being offered, but it does not appear so. All the same stuff was there, the log especially. HDR10 Plus is the toggle, not standard HDR10. What I actually want to see if things like best face have come across. So if I take a selfie with my eyes closed, I had motion photo turned on. So if I go into the photo and if I hit the edit toggle, no. Samsung have not yet brought in the best face that allows you to choose, well, the best face. That's fine. I imagine, again, that will probably be something that comes in the final version This is still beta 5, so there's still hopefully not one more beta, but who knows? We're almost there. We are almost at the finish line for One UI 7 and its beta program. This looks like the closest yet. Live notifications, that's not even on the S25. Sports from Google's made its way across. The last thing I imagine that needs to be brought is Galaxy AI, and we will see what that looks like, hopefully, in the coming weeks. Hit subscribe to SamMobile TV. More betas, more One UI 7 content, always on its way, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks.
When you're coming back.